Staying 2, Video 2, T-Movie. Movies names, TV inside. Beginning. Michael is a young man who has spent all his childhood and adolescence in homes and adopted family sign. His mother was adopted to drown a friend, decide to enroll him in a Christian school together with his student scholarship, and impressed by the coach for his large sign, her decided to join the soccer team and improve his academic record. Not after her start in the soccer team, Leigh and seek to become her legal guardian, to look for her mother at home, and she doesn't remember anything about the role of her son, Lex, who was the biological father, in adoption. To that, after knowing his intention, he doesn't want to help him. However, Michael and the soccer team and Sean begin to take great respect within the team sign he has intro convention of protection and duty to his great body start to his adopted brother. CJ record video of these games and starts sending them to all the coach in the country who are interested in having him and their team, but Michael needs 7.5 to be on varsity team, which Lake and hire a teacher to help her with her grades, and success helps 7.6, ending later Lane and her family takes Michael to the Old Mix campus to start college before an emotional what by between Lake and her son Michael. He exams and showing photos of the real character and explaining and that Michael managed to graduate with the help of Mix, so become a very successful professional player. What did you learn about the movie? This movie left me a more valuable teaching than it hopes fate dream came to come true. However, there is something to highlight and if the social strata that are reflected with great relevance in the movie. How did the movie make you feel? It a really exciting movie which leaves a great teaching and excellent moral beacons situation that we can find in everyday life are reflected. How does the movie relate to the academic program? You are studying in the indirectly it link or to our professional ethics. Another ending for the movie crew could be, I think that was the best way to end the movie. But if I have to put another ending on it, I could say that Michael didn't have to enter the university and have an answer destination. Thank you.